Hello, welcome to or back to my channel. This is part 2 of rebuilding after getting scammed, where we left off part 1. In this vid, I was aiming to get a mid-tier or a good exotic. Let's get trading. Making neon mahi-mahi. This person was really nice. They were doing a bunch of trades that gave others their dream pets, even if they were really under. This is when I started overpaying. Traded everything for this. I thought it was Firkus, they told me. Stuff I put in was HTT and to add. Turns out, would have been fair without the 2 right pots. Love the goose though. Time for watching part 3 coming soon.